Imagine flying from Delhi to Gurugram in just 7 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. IndiGo's parent company, InterGlobe Enterprises, is teaming up with Archer Aviation to launch an all-electric air taxi service in India by 2026. With the support of Boeing, United Airlines, this partnership aims to revolutionize urban mobility with safe, sustainable, and low-noise electric air taxis. We're talking about Archer's Midnight eVTOL aircraft designed to take you on rapid back-to-back flights with minimal charge time. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to a futuristic transportation solution. This is the future of urban mobility, and India is leading the way. Stay tuned for more updates.